Hey y'all, we fixing to make something pretty good. I love it. I love Mexican food. This is something a little different. We're fixing to cook us a Cajun Tex-Mexican quesadilla.
There it is.
And it's gonna be good.
The bayou gives you everything you need, no matter what's cooking or who you're gonna feed. Come along and you will see. Hang up your hat, kick off your boots, pull up a chair, there's a room for you. Tonight you're cooking with the alligator man on the bayou.
Hey y'all, making some rice. I'm gonna show y'all a simple way to do it. Get you a little bit of butter, throw it in here. Get you, this is 2 cups, okay? Put 2 cups of rice in here. However many cups you're cooking. 2 cups of rice, you will use 4 cups of water. Dump it all in your bowl, heat it up, cook it, it's ready to go. We fix to cook some vegetables. Let me show y'all what we got going here. Yeah, I cut it, I killed it. Come on over here, watch this. This is the Holy Trinity. What this is onions, bell peppers, and celery. And it's what we call the Holy Trinity. This stuff right here is pretty much all Cajun foods. You can go to any grocery store around here and you're gonna find them pre-made. A lot of times we make our own. These are pre-made. I'll tell you what, while I'm up, we're gonna hit it with a little bit of this Cajun season. Okay, throw that down. But I like to cook these vegetables down real good, get them real good and soft. We're gonna come back in just a minute when it's time to put it on the shrimp. All right, y'all, we're gonna put these shrimp on. What we're gonna do, we're gonna squirt a little oil out here, a little slippery stuff. Y'all know I like my shrimp straight off the boat. Can't get them like that all the time. So you gotta use the frozen ones, and that's what we're doing now. I mean, if you don't like shrimp, you probably don't like bacon. Something's wrong with you. Well, we ain't gonna go there right now. But if you don't like shrimp, you can always use chicken, beef, pork, whatever you want. All right, y'all, we're gonna season this shrimp up a little bit. And we done put some on the vegetables here. Spice these up a little bit. Now, when I was growing up, we didn't have Mexican food here. I've ate it a couple times. We went to Texas, but we just didn't have it here, you know? Just never heard of it, really. And the last few years, it's everywhere. But when I was coming up as a kid, there was no such thing. All right, y'all. Got the rice ready. You always got to have rice ready around here. Love rice. Louisiana rice is a big deal. So we're gonna start putting all this together. We're gonna slide this shrimp over here and mix it up. Y'all watch it? Ooh, one hand. You know I'm good. Now, see all this stuff right here? We're fixing to pick all this up. See, what you gonna do with that? Let me show you. We're in an awful spot right here now to put our tortillas on. Putting this water on here, scraping it back. This is all the seasoning we've been doing. You don't waste the good stuff, you know what I mean? Mama raised me a lot better than that. All right, y'all, we're gonna mix this up one time. Up here. Okay, we got this going. Okay, let's get our tortillas going here. First thing I like to do is get a little butter. Butter makes it a lot crispier to me, so I like to take my butter and stick it on here. Come on. And butter, salted butter's got a good flavor. Y'all can use anything you want, really, regular cooking oil or whatever. But y'all know butter makes it better, baby. And the hard part, opening one of these things up. We'll drop one right there. It's heating up. We're gonna drop 2. All right, y'all, we're gonna get some cheese and put it on here next. I like the cheese. This is Cajun and Mexican, so you gotta have it, lots of cheese. We like cheese. Woo. It ain't gotta look pretty, you just gotta get it all on there and spread it out. All right, y'all, it's happening now, Captain. Fixing to add our veggies on here. Just one side, y'all. Watch this. All right, y'all. Now we're gonna do the other side. You don't have to use shrimp. You can use chicken, whatever you want, but you got to use the Holy Trinity. That's what makes it pop. Now watch this, y'all. I'm gonna put this rice, I like to fluff it up a little bit. Okay, we're gonna drop this rice on one side. Okay. Now some people like more rice, some people like less. Do it what you want. Make it your way. Now right now, this is just plain white rice. We're fixing to spice it up a little bit. Watch this. Oh boy, y'all. Y'all look at that. Street taco, get you some. First we put the Cajun seasoning on it. Now we're putting the street taco stuff on it. One last thing, crystal hot sauce. Shook it up and put it on here. Y'all, I'm only gonna put this on one of them. This crystal's not really real hot. It's just got good flavor. Y'all try it, it is good. All right, y'all, we gotta fold these over. Don't take them off the grill. Here we go. Look right up under there. Loosen them up. Come on over here. We're gonna fold it. Ooh. You wait right there. I'll be right back. Get this one going. I like to loosen them up a little bit. Hey-ya! Here we go. Y'all watch. Dang, that was good, wasn't it? All right, y'all. Let that sit there just a minute. Hi, y'all. Watch this. I'm gonna throw a little butter down. Then we're gonna flip them. Ooh! Is that toasty or what? Come here. A little more butter. Flip it. Y'all, just a minute, we're gonna come back and we're gonna take them off. I'll show you. We're just letting them get a little tan. Hi, y'all, it's time to pick them up. Y'all got all these cheese and shrimp, all the good flavors in there, the good Cajun seasoning, taco seasoning. Ooh, nice and toasty, y'all. Look at there. Ooh, wonder what the po folks is eating tonight. Y'all, this smells so good. Let me show you. We're gonna cut some up a little bit. Use my little pizza cutter again. I love this little thing. We're letting it rest a minute, let it get a little cooler. But oh my goodness. I mean, this is pretty cool, y'all. All the cheeses melt together with the vegetables. And I usually don't eat vegetables. I don't consider this vegetable, so I will eat this. So what I like to do, put a little bit of post dust, what you call, on it. Season them up a little more. I like it. All right, might well do it all good. And mine, of course, I'm gonna put hot sauce on mine. Now for the fun part. I get to eat it. Same thing, you don't have to use shrimp. It's good though, try it. You can use fish, shrimp. What else can you use? Chicken, pork, whatever you want. Just cut it small and cook it, it's good. Kind of combines two different cultures together. I love them, grandkids love them, wife loves them. Something everybody likes, cook them, they're good. I'm gonna keep eating.